Hello YouTube. It is Bazooka. 4 types of headaches that signal something wrong with the body. Headache is the most common form of pain. Often we perceive it as an ordinary phenomenon, from which it is easy to get rid of. It can appear due to fatigue or a lack of sleep, and even from ordinary dehydration. In total, there are 4 types of headaches, and each of them indicates some problems in your body. To properly combat the pain, it must be determined very precisely, or you can aggravate it. 1. Sinus headache. This is a headache that occurs with sinusitis, when the mucous membranes of the sinuses become inflamed and swollen. A person can feel discomfort in the eye area, as well as in the area of cheeks and forehead, pulsation in the head. Treatment: drink as much liquid as possible, for example, warm water, which effectively reduces inflammation and opens sinuses. Eat soup or fresh ginger, because it has powerful anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. 2. Headache of a tensile type. Previously, it was often called headache tension. This is one of the most common types of headaches in the world. It can appear in the frontal, parietal or occipital areas and have a compressive, squeezing character. Treatment: add peppermint leaves to ginger tea to reduce pain and relieve your condition. 3. Cluster headache. This is a rare type of pain that is characterized by seizures of a very strong one-sided headache, usually in the area or around the eye. She appears for no particular reason several times a day. Treatment, in this case, can help with capsaicin, a synthetic analog of the substance, which is included in the composition of cayenne pepper. It is necessary to rub the ointments on the basis of this substance into the whiskey during an attack. This will help to ease the pain. 4. Migraine. Migraines are characterized by a one-sided, pulsating headache, which is aggravated by movement or tension. Pain with migraine, as a rule, is localized in the same place, but sometimes it can move to another area of the head. Such pain is often accompanied by nausea and vomiting, intolerance to light and noise. Before the onset of migraine, there may be numbness, visual disturbances, tingling and weakness of the limbs. A person loses the ability to speak normally. These symptoms are also called aura, which portends an early attack of a headache. Migraine attacks most often begin to appear in 20-30 years, and pass after 50. Treatment: eat foods rich in fatty acids, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and magnesium. Share this helpful information with your friends. And tell me in the comments what methods you are fighting with a headache. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.